Hey guys, Sam here. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. I am a certified driving instructor with the state of New York. If you're gonna check out my YouTube channel, I have so many videos on here on my YouTube channel. So, what I recommend, if you're not gonna watch them all, there's so many of them. But what I do recommend is going to playlist. Let me show you all my videos. These are all my videos. I have so many of them. But if you go to my playlist, go to how to pass your road test right here. Okay, I'm gonna stop this one. These are the videos I recommend to all my students and to you guys too. If you're gonna head out to take a road test, just check out these videos. I got the how to parallel park video, how to do a 3-point turn, road test scoring in New York. I explain how you are scored for a road test here in New York. Check out the New York DMV road test results of other students. As you can see, the thumbnail picture says taking a road test. Must watch now. Stop means stop, and reasons for failing your road test. Check out these videos. How to pass your road test in New York, and that is the playlist I recommend to all my students. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. And like I said, if you're heading out for a road test, good luck, be safe, focus, prove to the examiner that you can do it. Take it easy, guys.